Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smarted Bio by Prashanti ma'am. This is Prashanti, your biology teacher. So here in our channel you can able to get all the biology classes from 7th to 12th biology classes, both botany and zoology, and also NEET and MCET classes also available in our channel. So please do subscribe. Okay, please do subscribe, and after watching the video, like, share and comment in the comment section. Okay, so we'll start the today's topic. So actually we are in the cell basic unit of life. So here introduction, everything we completed in our previous videos. So if you did not watch those videos, please go and watch that videos also. So in today's topic we are in the cell organelles, mitochondria. In this video in detail you can able to learn the mitochondria. Okay, so mitochondrial structures, listen carefully. Mitochondrial structures we can't able to see with our naked eyes, only under the microscope after staining process. After staining means if we add color to the cell, then slowly if we observe under the microscope, stain add చేసిన తర్వాత మైక్రోస్కోప్ కింద పెట్టి చూసినప్పుడు మనకు సిలిండ్రికల్ బాడీస్ అనేవి కనిపిస్తాయి. సో సిలిండ్రికల్ బాడీస్ ఆర్ సాసేజ్ షేప్డ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్. సో ఇలాంటి సిలిండ్రికల్ బాడీ ఇన్ ది సెన్స్, సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ uniformly surrounded, that is cylindrical form, and then sausage shape. So either it will be sausage shaped structures. Okay, only under the microscope. So here mitochondria, listen. So ఈ mitochondria number వచ్చేసి, so it depends on the structure and functions. So mainly if we want more energy, that particular cell or tissues or the organ will have the more number of mitochondria. See, for example, if you want more energy in the muscle cells, automatically it contains more mitochondria. So mitochondria number is going to be varied, depends on its requirement. Depends on its requirements means if the organelles requires more energy, and definitely that particular organ or tissue, it contains the many mitochondrial structures in the cells. So these mitochondrial structures will be having the shapes like sausage and cylindrical shape. Then what is the measurement? So measurement means what is the length and width. So length and diameter we'll see now. See here, diameter is about 0.2 to 1.0 micrometers. So note down this small description I have given here. So first one, diameter is about 0.2 to 1.0 micrometers. Then length, what is the length of the mitochondria? So that is about 1 to 4.1. So 1 to 4.1 micrometers length. Okay, so after that, this mitochondrial structure, see here, mitochondrial structure is covered by two membranes. It is membranous structure, double membrane. Actually it is not a single membrane, it is double membranous structure. See here, mitochondria have two membranes, outer membrane, this is the outer membrane part, and then this one is the inner membrane part. Two membranes. So outer membrane, which is the outermost, and it covers the mitochondria, and inner membrane is like fold like structures. It contains the fold like structures. These all are the fold like structures. So this folded like structures, infoldings of the inner membrane is known as cristae. Okay, the inner membrane foldings is known as cristae. Then what is the function of cristae here? Cristae is responsible, right everyone? So cristae is responsible to increase the surface area, Cristae is useful to increase the surface area. That is about the membranes. Then what are the remaining structures present in the mitochondria? So the remaining structures, the inner compartment itself. See here, this entire place, the inner compartment, this inner compartment is known as matrix. The inner compartment of the mitochondria is known as matrix. So this matrix contains single circular DNA, and the multiplication process will be, division will be by the binary fission. So one mitochondria is going to divide it into two by the process binary fission with the help of this single circular DNA. And also it contains the ribosomes. What is the type of ribosome here? 70S type of ribosome. 70S, S for subunits. So S subunits, 70S type of ribosomes. So here this 70S contains two subunits, 30S and 50S subunits. 30S and 50S subunits together they forms as a 70S ribosomes. What is the main function of ribosome here? The ribosome function is responsible for the protein synthesis. Protein synthesis, wherever the protein synthesis has to form, definitely there it contains the ribosomal structures. So these ribosomal structures are responsible for protein synthesis. Ribosomal structures are responsible for photosynthesis and protein synthesis. And then mitochondria function. What is the main function of mitochondria? I already said that energy. So energy is going to be produced and stored in the form of what? ATP. So it is going to stored in the form of ATP structures. ATP. What is the abbreviation of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Energy is stored in the form of adenosine triphosphate. So this takes place in the aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means, what is aerobic respiration? Respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Okay, respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. That type of respiration is known as aerobic respiration. So that aerobic respiration in the cell, it takes place in the mitochondria. That's why mitochondria is also known as powerhouses of the cell. Powerhouses of the cell means whatever the functions has to take place, the energy is going to be provided by the mitochondrial structures inside the cell. And inside the matrix, it also contains the enzymes. Inside the matrix, it contains the enzymes which is required for the aerobic respiration. So the enzymes responsible for the aerobic respiration also present in the matrix of the mitochondria. So this is all about the mitochondria, the cell organelle inside the cell, and also powerhouse of the cell. So briefly, these are the key points, mainly the shape. So the number is going to varies, depends on the function, and the structure will be, it is double membranous structure, outer membrane, inner membrane is forming as a folded like structure, finger folds. So that infoldings are known as cristae responsible to increase the surface area, and it also contains the single circular DNA for the division of the mitochondria by the process binary fission, and it also contains the ribosome, 70S type of ribosomes, and it is responsible for protein synthesis. That is all about the mitochondria. In the next video, I am going to explain about the remaining cell organelles. Do watch those videos also, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.